Now this one's going to ruffle a few feathers. Adjustments. Now it's not that I don't like adjustments, it's the large narrative that surrounds it and the way it is sold to you. You are not having bones put back into place. You are not being realigned. This simply doesn't happen. Unless you've fallen out of a 10-story window or had a car crash, your bones are not out of place. We are not that fragile. We're extremely resilient and strong. Now, if you're somebody that cracks your knuckles a lot, exactly the same thing's happening there. Yes, it can help some people some of the time, no doubt in that, like any other treatment or modality, but you are not having things put back in place, and this is being sold and reinforced to you by the people that want you there.